Hi everybody, I'm Christina Fisher. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to make a simple and quick balsamic vinaigrette. This is the most delicious one I have ever done, ever. You want to start with 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar, and the kind of vinegar you use is so important. You do not want the syrupy, sticky one. This is a vinaigrette. You don't want it too sweet. So you want to get like a watery type balsamic vinaigrette. I'm sorry, vinegar. I keep calling it vinaigrette. Anyways, balsamic vinegar. You know what I'm saying. 1/4 cup. You want to put that in a metallic bowl. Make sure you have a metallic whisk on hand. Then I do a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. So we get that in there. Then I have a tablespoon of Manuka honey. You can do any kind of honey you want. I like the Manuka honey. And if you don't, this is gonna kind of cut the acidity. If you wanna do less than a tablespoon, you can. I like it tangy, so I might not try to scrape out every little bit of honey. Okay, then you want a really good avocado oil, something like that. You don't want it too tart. And if you want, you can throw in a little bit of olive oil to add up to the 1/2 cup of oil if you want a little bit of a tang. But if you use all olive oil in your vinaigrette, it's gonna come out very tart, kind of bitter. So you wanna cut that olive oil with some avocado oil. I highly recommend that. Anyways, so you want 1/2 cup of oil. Now, as you are whisking, you want to slowly drizzle the oil in, but first let's combine the balsamic, the Dijon, and the honey. So, and I'm telling you, you guys at home, please make sure you have a metallic bowl and you're using a wire whisk, okay? One of my best friends, Marilee Kazak, she is hysterical. She never owns a wire whisk. Every time I come to her house, she says, "Can you make your balsamic vinaigrette?" And I'm like, "Okay, where's the whisk?" She doesn't have one, so I went and bought her one. It's not that hard, you guys. TJ Maxx, Home Goods, whatever. It shouldn't be more than $5. Okay, so super important. You want to whisk at the same time as you are drizzling. Do not dump all the oil in at once. It will not come out good. You want to whisk while you're drizzling. It's drizzle, 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 whisk, whisk, whisk. Okay? And you're going to get a bit of a shoulder and bicep workout, which is fantastic. It's all good. This is the trick. You don't want to like barely whisk. You want to be moving, okay? You want to be moving fast, people. All right, we're almost there. I'm working up the sweat, which is great. Burn an extra few calories. All right. See how nice and thick it's coming out? Can you see that? Wow, that was a workout. Okay. Woo, baby. Okay, so it's nice and thick, yummy, looks good. Super simple. Then you want to add salt and pepper to taste. So I'm going to put my gray kosher salt. I know fresh cracked pepper. Here we go. All right, and let's taste it. Here we go. You're not supposed to do that, by the way, but it's really good. I can taste the honey, I can taste the Dijon. It's tangy, it's not too sweet, so I'm very happy with this. I want a little bit more pepper and a little bit more salt. All right, give it one more whisk. And there you go, my simple, fast, and easy balsamic vinaigrette. It took me all of 3 minutes. Enjoy.